It's a church. We're in church fight.
This nigga swag.
Watch that booty for me. Drop it, pop, drop it, pop, drop it.
Oh my god. Hey. Oh, I miss him.
Right. Eat. Go ahead,
They're slow.
What up, Coach Mesner? Okay, now for the Africans. Get it. Get it.
My stomach is cramping.
Now for the white girl. Let the white girl get it.
Hey, you must come with that white girl.
Come on, white girl. Show what you got. White girl coming over here.
Katie, they want you to dance for them.
All right.
All right, be your mom.
All right, Frankie, we see you. All right, we see you. Okay. He's slow. Oh my God!
The Sock Boys! Check his swag!
We're about to have an interview on his swag. We're about to have an interview on your swag. Okay, what's that? What's your snapback?
Hornets, you know what I'm saying? The Fresh Prince boy, I had to fold it up.
Right.
All right, all right. Okay, what's this?
Polo assassin, shake me out.
All right.
Polo
Let's take on
assassin.
that. I feel you.
You know what I'm saying?
Swag.
Ink on my legs though, bang. Represent DBE.
Check the socks though.
Got the protege.
Check the socks.
Oh shit.
My suits are exclusive though.
They do no more. Don't look at them.
Look at the socks.
They too exclusive. They
My
too.
elite sock.
Can't look at them.
Okay.
Look at the legs. Some ashy.
Got the ashy
a little
The
bit.
All
shorts
right,
go
let's
dummy
check out the
hard
tats.
though.
Let's check out the tats. What
You know
that
what I'm saying?
tat
The swag. Got the bang bang. GV 300 represent. I got the Slavey boy. You know.
Oh, those real tats, man. These real tats.
I'm out here.
Yeah, that's real life.
Okay, what's this?
That's
Where'd you
real
get this
life, dog.
cardigan?
Yeah, Man Live though. Man Live, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Man Live.
Swag,
You know what
swag.
I'm saying? I'm gonna come and still go get that. You know what I'm saying? Get that.
Hey, he not a rapper though.
I'm not a rapper though.
He not a rapper.
All right. You're not a rapper, but you can rap.
I'm not a rapper. I'm coming soon though. October
Coming soon.
31st. Go get that.
October 32nd. I thought it was October 32nd. What you want? 31st?
Halloween crazy, you know what I'm saying?
Halloween crazy. That's what it's called. Halloween crazy. Bang bang. You know what I'm saying?
All right. Does candy come with that?
Candy.
You know what I'm saying?
Do y'all pass out candy with that?
He tried. My boy Gutter Gutter.
Check his swag. Check his swag.
Those socks is dope.
New Lisa.
Those socks, elite. Let's catch that shit.
Fuck that. Anyway,
I'm coming soon. You know what I'm saying? It's real hot. Got
Real hot.
Singers on there.
real hot.
It's real.
Am I on the track? Did y'all put me on the track?
You know what
You know
I'm
what I'm
saying?
saying?
I'm you right now. I'm in the
Y'all ain't
hood
next
right
to put
now.
me on the track.
We in the hood right now. See where I'm at. You see where I'm at? Look, niggas posted. See where I'm at?
Niggas over here.
See
Bunch
where
of
I'm
black
at?
niggas back here.
That is
You know what I'm
dumb.
Blue behind me. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
We got the
shout out
whole
to this nigga Akon though. This nigga do all the beats.
Akon.
This nigga that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Oh, we did build your backpack.
I'm a backpack. You can lock on that boy.
This bitch.
Thieves.
Couple of G.
You can't get this bitch.
Couple of G,
Yeah,
know
you
what
gotta
I'm
stay
saying?
with the locks on this side of town. Never know.
You know what I'm saying?
Never know.
Straight hood, you
Oh,
know.
let's check out your swag real quick.
I got that thing right here, you know what I'm saying?
Stay
I'll
braided
pop a
though.
nigga,
I
you
stay
know.
braided though. Money on my pocket.
See that? Hey, I'll pop a nigga. I don't play. I keep the toolie, dog. I pop though. Let me
Stay braided. Money everywhere.
How much money
They
is
try to
that?
pull me back, dog. Come in there. Come on. Hey, what's your problem?
Show the $100 bill.
Get your little ass off. Come on.
They want to close up view. All right, say goodbye. Say bye.
All right, shout out, bye bye. Shout out to my niggas.
300.
300.
I'll pop
OTM, bro.
Pop your ass. You already know.
Shout out to all the fat booty girls.
Sosa. You already know.
Ladies, get at me, your boy. You know what I'm saying?
I got the mask in the backpack.
You know what I'm saying? I
No,
bitch out,
put it
clap
on,
that.
but I'm gonna close my eyes. Are you gonna put the mask on?
No.
No.
You ain't ready.
All right. Say bye. Do your dance. Do the goodbye dance.
Hey. Hey.
All right, Franky got his. Go ahead, Brian. Do your goodbye dance. All right. Okay, do your goodbye dance. All right.
Pow! Pow!